Hello aspirants, this is me Yasmin Gill, and in today's video we'll be covering the PIB MCQs of 28th of March. Do follow all the MCQs on this particular link and do not forget to rate and review the course once you view this video. So let's begin. First question here is you have to match the following. These are certain tribal paintings given and the areas to which they are linked. Cherial, Pithora paintings, Saura paintings, Varli paintings. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Odisha, Telangana. So already from PIB, and the correct answer is Cherial paintings popular in Telangana region, Pithora from Gujarat, Saura from Odisha and Varli paintings from Maharashtra. Next question, which among them is true? A. Jet A1 and Jet A, they are popular aviation turbine fuels. B. They are both kerosene type fuels. C. Gasoline is used in combination with these fuels in cold climates. So see, correct option here is aviation turbine fuel basically was in news. So first option Jet A1 and Jet A, yes, they are two very popular aviation turbine fuels. B is correct, they are mainly kerosene type fuels. C is also correct. Gasoline, it is usually used in cold areas. So hereby we have all of these as correct option. And why is only kerosene type fuel used? Because the other fuels or other type of fuels which we use in the common motor vehicles, they have various disadvantages. They have higher volatility, they involve greater losses due to evaporation at higher altitudes and so on. You can read more about it and you can even follow this article of Hindu from here. So all of these is the correct answer here. Next, which among them is true? A. Rashtriya Rifles are made up of soldiers deputed from other parts of the Indian Army. B. All of their soldiers come from infantry. C. The force is deployed all over India. D. Rashtriya Rifles was raised by former Chief of Army Staff General B.C. Joshi in 1990. So just yesterday there was this book released on Rashtriya Rifles. So first option, yes, they are not, I would not say, they're not specifically recruited to be in Rashtriya Rifles. They are recruited to be in Indian Army and then they are deputed in Rashtriya Rifles. B option, all of soldiers come from infantry. This is wrong. Half of them come from Indian Army's infantry wing while the other half from the rest of the Indian Army. C, the force is deployed all over India. This is also wrong. It is deployed in Jammu and Kashmir. D, it was raised by former Chief of Army Staff General B.C. Joshi. This is correct. So A and D are the correct options here. Next, which among them is true? A. National Committee on Trade Facilitation's constitution is mandatory under Trade Facilitation Agreement. B. The body is chaired by Cabinet Secretary. C. Its secretariat would be housed within the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. D. The body has a two-tier structure. So first option NCTF, yes, it is mandatory to form such body under TFA. So A is correct. Second we did yesterday in PIB. Cabinet Secretary chairs it. C, this is wrong. Its secretariat is housed in Central Board of Excise and Customs, CBEC. And D part, the body has a two-tier structure. This is also wrong. It has a three-tier structure. We have a national committee, we have a steering committee and we have expert members. So A and B are the correct options here. Next, which among them is true? A. Neutrinos are the most abundant subatomic particles. B. They have mass. C. They interact poorly with other objects. D. They can pass through the human body. So this is from I think yesterday's Indian Express. So first option, they are the most abundant subatomic particles. This is wrong. They are second most abundant. First one is photons. Second, they have mass. Yes, though the mass is very small, it is yet undetermined. But yes, they do have mass. C. They interact poorly with other objects. This is true. D. They can pass through the human body. Yes. So B, C, D is the correct option here. Next, which among them is true? A. In time crystals, a very large number of atoms, they show periodicity in time. B. These time crystals, they were first predicted by Nobel Prize winner Frank Wilczek in 2012. C. Time crystals appear to have movement even in their lowest energy state. So what is this unique and different question all about? See, this was in Indian Express. There is this new discovery about, there is this new theoretical model given for time crystals. See, for example, we have sodium chloride, right? It is a crystal. Now, they are found in the form of crystals. Now, what do we mean by a crystal? By crystal, we mean there is an orderly arrangement in space. There is this definite pattern that keeps on repeating in space. But what happens is, in case such a pattern repeats over time as well, then it is known as time crystals. So obviously in that large number of atoms, they show periodicity in time. Just to put the whole sentence in perspective, so what they do is, atoms move in time, but instead of moving in a random and fluid way, they move in a periodic way. Second part, they were first predicted by Nobel Prize winner. Yes, they were first predicted by him, but the theoretical model for the same is given right now. See, time crystals appear to have movement in their lowest energy state. This is also true. So all of these are true here. See, usually whenever a material is in its ground state or 0 point energy, it doesn't move. Movement is theoretically impossible. But as far as time crystals are concerned, as the time keeps on passing away and they show periodicity in time, so they even show movement in their lowest energy state. So this is all about time crystals. All of these is the correct answer here. Next, which among them is true? A, Special Olympics is a sporting movement for people with intellectual disabilities. B, it has its seat at Washington. C, they take place every 4 years. D, 2017 World Winter Games were held in US. So first option, it's a sporting movement for people with intellectual disability, correct. Second is also correct. Third is wrong, they take place every 2 years. D is also wrong. 2017 World Winters, they took place at they did not take place at US, rather they took place at Austria. So A and B are the correct options here. Next, what is the venue for 2019 Summer Special Olympic Winter Games? So see, these games keep on alternating, summer, winter, and so on. Germany, US, Abu Dhabi, Athens. So correct answer is 2019 games would be held at Abu Dhabi. Next, which among them is true? A, Titan is Saturn's largest moon. B, sand on Earth is mostly made up of silica. C, sand particles on Titan, they are thought to be granules of solid water ice coated with hydrocarbons. So this was also in news, this new discovery. First option, Titan is Saturn's largest moon, very true. This you must have learnt about it. Second option, sand on Earth mainly made up of silica. This is also true. But sand particles on Titan, which is supposed to have somewhat similar atmosphere to Earth, see, they do not have particles made up of silica. They have their sand particles made up of solid water ice, and these are coated with hydrocarbons. Now see, what was found basically which led to this discovery. See, we have big dunes, sand dunes prevalent on Titan. But the fact is that the winds on Titan, they blow from east to west, but the dunes were shaped as if they blow from the west. So why was this difference in the shape of in the direction of the wind and the shape of the dunes? Why was this difference? So then we researched over it. While the researchers, what they found out was that the dunes, they were made up of electrified sand particles. Whenever the hydrocarbon coated sand particles, they are subjected to the atmosphere of Saturn, what happens is that through repeated friction, they generate static electricity. Because of this electricity, they clump together to each other, and therefore the shape of the dune is in a different manner. So all of these are correct options here. Next, BC Roy Award is linked to which field? Journalism, social service, medicine, none of the above. So correct answer is it is linked to medicine, given by President. The award is named after Bidhan Chandra Roy, a medical doctor and a former Chief Minister of West Bengal. So that's it for today. Do rate and review the course, friends, and recommend these lessons to your friends as well. Thank you so much.